Hi guys, it's coming up to winter, or it is in winter virtually, so I just thought I'd do a cold start on all of my lawnmowers, or most of them. So yeah, first of all, we've got the Mountfield Emperor, and I've not started it for maybe 2-3 weeks, just to prove it is cold. I've just got hand on the exhaust. Yeah, see? So yeah, just gonna do a start up of some of my mowers, and yeah, I've already checked the petrol and the oil and they're fine. This one can sometimes be a bit hard to start, but we'll see how it goes. Nearly. That's close. Come on. Almost there. Right. Oh, come on. Should start in the next few pulls, but yeah, this one, when it is cold, it can be a bit hard to start. That's close. There we go. It did take a little while to start up, but it started up. Now so we're going to be doing a cold start on this Honda HR215. So just going to check the petrol. I've already checked the oil, but just check the petrol. Yep, that's got petrol in there. That'll do. Right. Yeah, like I said, I've already checked the oil, so here we go. Oh, just to prove this is also completely cold. The exhaust is not hot or anything, so yeah. Alright, I'll just get you into a good position and we'll start it. I'm sorry guys, I'm just trying to get you into a good position. That should do. There we go. Right. Medium throttle. Now, here we go. BR. So yeah, with the British Button engine, 450e. I mean 650e. So yeah, I've checked the petrol and the oil. I'm just going to raise it up, so then it might be a bit easier to start. Just raise the cutting deck up. There we go. And yeah, this is also a cold start. As you can see, I'm just going to put my hand on the exhaust. See, that's not at all. So this one hasn't been started in like 2-3 weeks as well. So we'll see how this goes. Right, here we go. Just get you guys into a good position. That should be good. Hopefully. There we go, right. Here we go. This one can also be a bit hard to start sometimes, but we'll see how it goes. And just put it on choke. That nearly went. On cold starting the Alco lawnmower and the Mountfield and the Honda. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.